Hello YouTube friends and welcome. Today I have for you another tactical pen from the Chinese company LAIX, and we'll be talking about the T02 tactical pen. It comes with some silica gel protection, and this is how it is packaged. So you will get a proprietary refill. This empty space here is for the batteries because it has also a flashlight. And let's see the pen itself. So as you can see, there's a nice sturdy construction. This is made out of aluminium, some kind of aluminium alloy, that is. So you have your standard glass breaker tungsten carbide ball. If you unscrew this part, you will get a multifunction key or tool, which is a screwdriver or pry bar tool with a scraper and bottle opener or some kind of wrench. And this looks like your standard bit driver, but it will not fit your standard bits. I don't know why they did put the wrong measurements here, but it is what it is. If you unscrew this part, you will expose the refill. So you are getting two refills. O-rings are installed, but they are completely not needed because it is a milled out construction, so any kind of moisture and fluids will go down into this part. So the main compartment here houses the pen, which the case is also fluted, and you also have a O-ring, let's say, for securing the close position. Your pocket clip, model description, and the top part or the top compartment houses the 3 LR936 batteries. It's nicely machined, and here's the actuator button. It has only one function, so on or off. So really nice complete package, and this is probably the second variant that is LAIX offering. The first one is with the hidden knife, and this is with the tool. So maybe you don't want a knife on yourself, but on some kind of tool, then this is a little bit more expensive pen than the previously shown model B007.2. So the T02 has the tool head or the tool insert, and also the flashlight. The overall length of the pen is 15.7 centimeters or 6.18 inches, so a little bit smaller than the B007, and the diameter is 1.3 centimeters or 0.5 inches. The weight is significantly more because it weighs 83.6 grams or 2.95 ounces. So that is almost the double because of the 007 weighs only 42 or 1.48 ounces. So I will put in the description below all the measurements and the specifications, and also try to link you where you can buy this knife. If you're interested, go check it out, and if you have any questions, leave comments down below. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.